who says that India remains an island of stability. Of course, he's not alone. Other experts also believe that global volatility is the bigger reason for the sell-off in India. Take a look at what they are saying and we are back in a minute.
This is one of those times when the world seems to be in complete panic mode and capitulation going on and the fears that the world is going to come to an end. And it's a complete opposite of, say, a market high, where you think if I don't buy this stock, I won't get a chance to buy it again. So that sort of mood is what's going on in the world. When I look at the real economy, there are a couple of boards on which I sit. There are a couple of companies in which we invest, in the private equity space. Actually, things are not bad on the ground. Similarly, when you look at what the government's been doing, they've been doing the right things. The RBI has been doing the right things. So India, in some sense, is an island of stability, but the storm is really coming from outside.
We require some amount of sanity in the global risk of trade. My feeling is that at some point of time, rationality will prevail, sanity will come back. So we require a positive situation from the global sell-off side. The second thing which we require is definitely in our own country, and we need a budget which is supportive for growth. We need Parliament which is actually enacting legislations related to land reforms, labor reforms, GST, bankruptcy code. We need monsoon, which for last 2 years have been below average, but hopefully this year should be normal. And finally, we require corporate earnings recovery aided by lower interest rates and higher liquidity and ease of doing business.
I think you have to certainly preserve your capital at this stage, and markets seem to be coming down every day. But I think there is probably some good bit of support at around these levels at about 7,100 or something. If that breaks, then there may be further bloodshed. But as of now, I think 7,100 seems to be holding on.